Hello students, today we are going to study the topic lenses. Okay, so what is a lens? Actually, lens is a transparent glass, okay, or it can be a medium, okay, which is bonded by at least one curved surface. Okay, so what did you understand by this? Here it means it will have a curved surface, at least one curved surface, and it is a transparent glass. Have you seen the spectacles? It consists of the lenses. Okay, it can be a convex lens, it can be a concave lens, and you feel it. You'll feel that yes, that glass, if it is thicker at the middle, it is a convex lens. If it is the thinner in the middle, it is a concave lens. Like if the glass, a transparent glass, okay, when it is given the shape in this manner, in which it is thick in the middle, okay, it is a convex lens. If it is thin in the middle, that glass is thin in the middle, it is a concave lens. Okay, apart from this, actually, here you will see that here in the definition I have said you at least one curved surface should be there. When we are talking about this convex lens, it is having this glass, transparent glass is having two curved surface, okay, which is bulged outside. This is a convex lens. Okay, and if it is in this manner, it is thinner in the middle and thicker at the sides, okay, it is a concave lens. Okay, but there are others also. It is not in your syllabus, but there are others also, these lenses, like if it is in this manner, you can see one side is curved, other side is plain. Okay, so these are known as what? Plano concave lens. Okay, if one side is plain, other side is bulged, it is what? Plano convex lens. So these lenses can be bulged, or it will consist of both the sides of spherical surface, or it may consist a plain surface, a curved surface. It can be of different types. So lenses, how can we define it? It is a transparent glass, okay, or it can be a medium which is bonded by at least one curved surface. Okay, it can consist of more than that, but at least one curved surface should be there in that transparent glass. Okay, so that is known as lenses, and we are going to study about the lenses. Basically two types of lenses which you have to study is the convex lens and the concave lens. So here, convex lens, you can see over here, I explained you also here, okay. Here both the sides, you can see, are bulged, isn't it? So if it is bulged, it is what? A convex lens. Okay, and here a lens, when we are talking, it will consist of a optical center. Optical center means the middle of the lens. Okay, now so convex lens is thicker at the middle and thinner at the sides. When we are talking about this convex lens, we say that it has the property to converge all the light rays. Okay, how it can converge all the light rays? You see over here, this is the convex lens. Okay, this is the principal axis. Okay, now here the rays are falling on the convex lens. Okay, this is the middle portion of this lens is the optical center, and from here we see that yes, what do? These light rays, they converge, and if they are converging, actually this type of lens will be known as what? A converging lens. Okay, now here when we talk about the concave lens, okay, concave lens, I said to you, it is thinner in the middle and thicker at the sides. Okay, so here when the light rays falls on this concave lens, what happened? It diverges. It is diverging. Actually what it is doing, it is diverging. And yes, if it is diverging, it will be known as what? A diverging lens, isn't it? So here we have said about reflection of light, and I said about the concave mirror and the convex mirror. When we are talking about the lenses, here refraction of light takes place. What takes place? Refraction of light. Actually, when we are talking about these lenses also, some material is also present inside it, because here we are joining this to something has been placed in between it. Naturally, what is so refraction of light? When a light passes from a medium to another medium, okay? So what will happen? Suppose if a light is passing from here, okay, it falls on the surface of another medium. What will happen? Here it will change its what? Path, direction of path. Okay, it means here the speed of light changes its path or the direction. Okay, this is known as what? Refraction of light. When light passes from one medium to another, it changes its direction. Okay, so this phenomenon is working over here. When you say about the spectacles consists of what? The lenses, okay, not the mirrors. Okay, here in this specs, what happened? If you put on the specs, light falls on it, and what happens? Our eyes are also consisting of, I said to you earlier also, lenses only, and convex lenses present in our eyes. Okay, and as the result, what happens? Here the light gets converged. Okay, so now you all know that in case of light, the refraction of the light phenomenon takes place. Okay, in case of mirror, reflection of light takes place. So reflection of light, mirrors; refraction of light, lenses. ठीक है? Now, so here reflection and refraction. Reflection, when we describe it, we say it is the bouncing back of light. When we talk about refraction, it is what? When the light passes from one medium to another, it changes its path or direction. Now we will be studying images formed by convex and the concave lens. Okay. So when we talk about the convex lens, okay, different types of images can be formed by the convex lens. It can form real image also, virtual image also. Even the images can be magnified also, or it can be diminished also. Okay, and when we talk about concave lens, it will always form virtual, erect and diminished image. Okay, so let us now see how it is. For that I have taken an experiment. Okay, it is given in your book also. Here, taken the object, this candle flame, okay, and taken the convex lens, and this is the screen, okay, which is just covered with white paper or white cloth. Okay, now here what we are seeing, when this convex lens is what? Close to this candle, okay, we are finding an image which is magnified, but it is what? Real and inverted. Why I am saying it is real and inverted? Because here it is, real images are always formed on the screen. Okay, so this is a real image because the image has been formed on the screen, and you can see we will be getting a inverted image. Okay, and this is what? Magnified. From this here to here, you can see that it is magnified in nature. It is larger in size. Okay, now if we take this lens, okay, far, okay, if we take it far from the candle, okay, and we are trying to see the image, okay, it is too far now, okay, it is not close. Initially it was here, now I have kept it, okay, towards nearer to the screen rather than the object, that is the candle flame. What we are going to see, if it is away from the lens. Here also we will be getting a real and inverted image. What we will be getting? Real and inverted image, but here you will see the image is small. It is diminished in nature. Okay. Now, what I am doing? I am taking this convex lens nearer to the very close to what the candle flame or the object. Now what will happen? Let us see. Okay, here screen is also there. What we see, that no image is being formed on the screen. Instead, what we are seeing, a virtual and erect image we can see, which is not formed on the screen. And that image is what? Magnified in nature. Okay, so we have seen here that with the help of a convex lens, we can get a real image also, virtual image also, magnified also, diminished also. Okay, so it depends upon here what is the distance between this object and this lens in order to form the image. Okay, when we are taking what? Concave lens. Okay, whether it is concave lens, when we are taking, it is what? Thinner at the middle and what? It is thinner in the middle and it is thicker at the sides. Okay, this can be taken in the books. You will see, in order to make you more properly understand, I am making this lens over here. Otherwise, in the books you will be finding a circular shaped lens taken. Okay, what happens in case of convex? Here it is thick, and in case of concave it is thin and thick or at the sides. Okay, so here I'm just for your understanding, I am making the lens in this manner. Otherwise, the lens which you see will be in the circular form only. It will be thin. If it is thin in the middle, it is a concave lens. If it is thicker at the middle, it is a convex lens. Okay, so here you will see what in this, the image which will be formed in this will be always erect. It means it will be straight. Okay, and but one more thing you will be seeing, that it is diminished in nature. Okay, so in the book you will find this figure in this manner. This is a concave lens, okay, which is thinner in the middle, and the image which will be formed will be virtual and erect, but it will be diminished. Either it is close to the object, the candle flame, or it is far away from it. Okay, getting this? So here, according to the image formation of the convex lens and the concave lens, it will have some uses, isn't it? If I am talking about a magnifying lens, okay, that magnifying lens is a convex lens. It will be used for what? Reading and all. If you can't see, if the letters are too small, with that we can see it, it makes it what? Magnified in nature, and this is the property of what? A convex lens, isn't it? Now let us study about the uses of the convex and the concave lens. Okay, beta. So convex lens, when we see, you have seen the simple microscopes. What do? They magnify the objects, isn't it? Beneath which is kept, you see it from the above and you see it is magnified. I said to you, this can be formed by convex lens only, because concave lens always forms a diminished image. Okay, so convex lens is used in simple microscope. Okay, now when I am saying about concave lens, it is used in the peephole. Do you know what is the peephole? On the doors there are these lenses are fixed. What happens inside? From inside you can see who has come, who is out on the other side of the door. Okay, by that peephole. Okay, so in that concave is used. Here what happens, a bigger object is present at the other side of the door, it becomes small and you can just see it, who it is, isn't it? Now when we talk about the correcting the defects of the eyes, both the lenses are used, convex also and concave also. It depends upon the person it is he or she is having a short sightedness or long sightedness. Okay, now long sightedness and short sightedness, it means short sightedness means can see only the nearby objects, long sightedness means only can see the objects which are at the far off places. Okay, so it depends. So this can be used, both the lenses can be used, convex and concave can be used for correcting the defects in eyes. Okay, now both are used in the cameras and projectors as well as telescopes and binoculars. These are depending upon the objects. Okay, we can use this the convex and concave lens to see them, to use in to form the images from the cameras, projectors, telescopes or the binocular. Okay, so this is all for today. Good day, take care.